How to create hyperlapse images using the Neo. First, place an ND filter on the Neo. This is a 32. In sport mode, take off and fly past your start point. Rotate the drone and set the gimbal angle, switch to photo mode and change the settings to manual. Use the slowest shutter speed you can get away with. Set the photo mode to timed shot with 2 seconds. Switch to cinematic mode and use the controller sticks to set your flight direction and speed. Go very slow. Hit your cruise control button. Press the photo button. The drone will continue on its course and take photos every 2 seconds. When you have more than enough footage, hit photo button again and the cruise control button to turn them off. Land the drone and collect your drone full of images.